What is up, Math Superstars? In this edition of Mr. Peterson Presents, we're going to talk about how to compare fractions, decimals, and percent. And so in comparing, we have these different symbols. Once again, we have the greater than sign, the less than sign, then we have greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and then we have our friend equal to sign. And so here we're given this type of problem, and you notice this is a little different than the other videos where we have two different formats here in the way these numbers are written. And so we have 1/3 is what the 55%. And so our strategy up here in the corner, it says that we want to go ahead and try to pick a common format. And so the common format that I like the best is decimal, but you could choose any format or any strategy that you like. So this is just the one for my video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 1/3 into a decimal. And so the way I do that is using long division. So I do 3 goes into 1. So this decimal, after I do it all, is going to be 0.333 repeating. So I'm going to write that out, 0.333, and I'm going to put the line over the last 3 that's telling me that I need to repeat. And then 55% as a decimal. So for 55%, that's same as 55 hundredths. So I'm going to write that as 0 and 55 hundredths. So what I can do is I can go ahead and add a 0 in the thousandths place since I'm comparing to the thousandths place. And then let's go ahead and compare the place values here. And so I'm going to start in the ones place. Those are exactly the same. So I'm going to go over to the tenths place. So in the tenths place, I notice that 5/10 is bigger than the 3/10 that I have. And so for this problem, 1/3 is going to be less than 55%.